poor quality printing, 3D printings, and it is a ABS material, and I print it at 214 degrees Celsius, and bed temperature is around 17 degrees, and speed of print is around the first base area is 15, and the part printing is 17, and it's very poor. Firstly, the layer shift here you can see, because the machine is poor, the glass plate was not rigidly fastened. It only fastened on the rear side, so I accidentally smoothed the glass plate so it shifted. You can see here. But I still can use this because it's not affects much. The second defect is the serious warp gauge. You can see here. I don't know how to solve this type of poor quality. So usually I don't like 3D printing. Maybe my experiences is not enough. And the resolution is good. You can see it here. And the last thing is it's difficult to stick on the glass back. I use the dissolved ABS as a glue, and firstly I smear it, or I brush it on the glass plate and wait for it to dry, and then I start the prints. But anyway, I print it 3 times. The first 2 times it detached and the build failed because it warps. The 4 corner will rise up, and then during the prints, the whole printer's parts detach. So they are not success. I more prefers to the injection molding than 3D printing. So thank you for your watching.